All right, guys, it's a beautiful day. 2 reasons. One, our camper just sold. It's on its way out. Congrats to the new owner on that. Have a good time. Second thing is I've got 2 Beta 125 sitting here. So really excited for Braxton and Lex. They're inside. I think I've kind of hinted to Braxton a little bit that there might have been a couple of 125s here. But so we've got 2 2023s. These were Beta factory race bikes. So they refurbish them to an extent, and they kind of put in the listings like what you're buying. So I honestly though I haven't looked. My dad does pop the tops whenever like we get them, just to make sure like the bikes are complete and there's like no holes, but you can tell the bubble wrap's still on. So I honestly don't know. And what's cool about these, like I'll call them like a bid, but it's really fast happening. So Beta will go on there and they'll say, hey dealers, we'll get an email. So all the dealers probably get emails and it says, hey, these bikes are up for grabs. There's 11 of them. That's what there was 2 days ago. And like you literally, if you're at your computer, you have to like run in there and click on whatever you want as fast as you can. You don't have a lot of time to like sit there and like, oh, I like the features on this, I like the features on that. Because if you wait, you don't get any. Like I would argue that these bikes sell out within like 5 minutes if you're not like sitting there. So these are 2 race edition 125s, and I have 2 boys that are about ready for them. So that camper that just left literally is the same exact dollar amount that I bought these for. So pretty excited. I can afford it right now for the boys. So they're inside. I think they're eating some dinner. So I'm gonna have them come out here in a minute. Our friend just blew a tire on the expressway, like literally, like he's over there.
Down there.
Yeah, Matt just blew a tire, like literally.
Like Taro?
Yeah.
Oh my.
Yeah, he's blew a tire. So we have to go help him. Where'd Lex go?
I don't know. He went around the corner. He's going to get something to eat or something.
All right, let's go help Matt.
Rescue Matt.
It's funny, our dealership is like that green sign up there is where the shop is.
Oh, you can't see it on film, but.
So us here at 3Cs, we do all kinds of stuff, including expressway repair. What do you got? You got everything?
I think that my wheel is somewhere over there.
Your wheel's over there? Do you have an extra wheel?
Huh?
Do you have more wheels?
Yeah, but I like the one that went in the bushes. It's brand new.
No, it was new. Look at those sick betas in there. Dang. Where you guys headed? Oh, okay. All right, guys, we're gonna fix this and we'll get back to the shop. All right, so we just got done rescuing Matt off the expressway, and I think the boys are playing up here. So we will get the boys and we'll get these things uncrated.
What?
Guys, what do you think's in these boxes right here?
A 125?
A couple 125.
Yeah.
Maybe.
2 of them.
You've been helping me with that other project, Blake, but I think we're gonna sell that one. So
All that work.
what? We haven't even halfway. We're not even putting it back together yet. Buckle up your shoes. We still have to finish that project.
Yeah.
All right, let's go open these things up. Let's open this Lexus one. Open this thing up, buddy. This one's yours right here. Let's see it.
Oh.
So I haven't even seen these myself, so we need to figure out what they did. Let me go here. All right, Lex, come grab this handle down here. Grab that right there and just kind of pull out. Yep, pull straight out on it. Stand that right here.
Okay.
So pull it. There we go. All right, this one's gonna be Lex's bike. Pull that wrapper off there, buddy. Oh man, this thing's already got so much stuff on it. So these were factory bait. Where is the seat?
There's no seat? What?
Okay, we're okay. We're doing good. We're doing good, Lex.
What is this?
Got an air filter. Okay, so we've got a set of handles. Usually the bars are. Okay, so they just disconnected stuff. So we just still got.
What the heck?
It's all right. We still have throttle. Okay, it's all there. We just have to. They just took it apart differently. The only thing that we don't have is a seat. But dude, check this thing out. It's got full factory Beta suspension on it, which we'll have to see what spring rates they have in it. It's already got a rear rotor guard on it. Brand new chain sprockets and tires. These are DOT tires, which is fine to practice on. Oh, come on in, Steph. We got the Samco hose kit already on there. And I was curious. Okay, so they already added the race wire, obviously the race wire harness, but they didn't put it back to stock. So That is huge. So we already have the race harness on here. Nice number plate already on there. This motor only had 12 hours on it, so this one's like awesome. So we're gonna have to go through it, of course, but let's pull it apart a little bit more and get this thing. Braxton, want to grab some 10 millimeters, buddy? Grab some 10s, and might as well grab an 8 while you're over there. Oh, look at this! Come in right here. 14.8 hours. That's incredible. That's all this bike has on it. Gosh, this is so sick, dude. It's in great shape. We just gotta, I'll call him. We'll get a seat. We have seats here too, so it's not gonna stop us. But yeah, let's grab this 10 from you. You can pull on that and pull it that way. Is there a seat on this one?
There is a seat.
Are there 2 seats by chance?
There's 2 seats. Oh, there's 2. There's not 2 seats.
This one's got more time on it. I don't remember how much the listing said, but they said they rebuilt the motor on this one.
1 seat.
So this one's got
707. Now who's that?
well, that guy. I think this one would be like the needs antifreeze and oil, which is fine. Let's get this one. Oh wow, this one's got a dry, come on in, Seth. This one's got a dry brake tank on it, so it's got a bigger gas tank. It's got a dry brake on it.
Which is where you push it down on the top?
Yeah, so Mark and
What
the
page are
guys
they?
have the cans for that.
I think
Does it have Samco hoses already on it? Yeah, I see blue hoses.
Yeah, look.
This one's got, what foot pegs are on that one right there, Braxton?
It's
Pull up on the
black.
right
They're
one.
black.
Okay, those are the factory foot pegs. So this one has, I think these are called Fastway. That's what brand this one is. Is there a rotor guard down there?
What?
Can't see it from my angle. Yeah, there's a rotor guard.
Oh yeah, shark fin over there.
And it's got Beta kite wheels, which are pretty cool. Sometimes with the Beta race department wheels, though, they're pretty whipped. But they've got like wire ties holding them together. They're kind of cool looking, but they're just maybe tired. But dude, this thing is sick too. We'll get this guy's name off the front of it, but I think the rim's on there. It's got new tires too. Oh, it's got radiator guards. Does that one have? Mm-hmm. Is there rad braces on that thing?
Yeah.
Holy smokes! These things are literally ready to rip. So big day tomorrow, an Iowa race, right?
I mean, not tomorrow, but today.
Oh, tomorrow's only Saturday. Today's Friday. Okay, but we're leaving tomorrow. I don't think it's going to be a mudder. I think it's the first non-mud race of the year.
Finally.
Hopefully a little bit of mud.
Yeah, you're not.
Hopefully not like steam cleaning the boots though. It's getting pretty old. And then these bikes are kind of like, what incredible timing, because we have the 24-hour race coming up and these are going to be well used.
Essential.
Where's your email, buddy? And his throttle tube is routed correctly, but Braxton's is not. So they've been running like this for a while, but this has got to go on that side. And I also don't like how this one's super foggy. This is supposed to be on the upper side of the gas tank in there, so it sits on top of that little plug. They're like the gas tank mount, so it holds it up more. So right now it's just kind of fogging around in there. So we're gonna give Lex's bike another look over here in a second. And this one says no coolant or oil, so we're definitely gonna add those right now. And then we gotta check his, I don't think there's any gearbox oil in it either, so yeah, there's no oil in this bike. So we're gonna put oil in this thing. All right, so Braxton's bike already has gas in it. I'm sure it's race gas. We're not gonna put race gas back in them. Both have oil, both have coolant. Those are pretty much the vitals. So all we gotta do now is cut these things out of these crates and they can try them out. All right, buddy, hop on that one. When first sit, hop up on there. Come on over, Kate, check it out. That fits you. Fits you way better than your KX, huh?
For sure.
Turn the gas on, bro.
That one?
Yep, turn it back, straight back. Yep.
Good?
Yeah. Turn the choke on.
Okay, you can say that.
Straightforward.
Yeah. No, go straight back with it, Lex. Because you need it on reserve. There you go. Yep.
hard.
Where's the thumb?
On this side of the carb. Yep. Sounds like it's good. Oh wow, look at you. What? First kick? How many kicks? What? It's gonna die. I think it's gonna die. Vibrates a lot?
Yeah.
So 125, buddy.
Already hard to handle.
Look it down in the gear. How many years until you're on one, buddy?
Probably like 3.
3, 4 more? You're 9.
Yeah.
Just turned 9.
Yep.
I'm gonna say 3 more years for you.
Yeah, at least.
Is the button not close enough to hit it?
It probably is. I just don't like this.
So first ride. What do you think?
Still don't know the clutch, but yeah.
What's wrong with the clutch?
I didn't know the release yet. But like, once I figure that out.
Oh, like
Well,
where it releases
Yeah, you
at.
can hear it bogging. So.
It's kind of bent down a little.
It needs to be tipped down.
Well, it's bent, so that's okay. That's expected. How about yours, buddy? What do you think?
That's really fun, dude.
That fits you way better, huh?
Yeah.
Dang. Look at you guys. Full factory 125s. How cool is that? Little differences between the bikes, but overall they're pretty much identical.
What, radiator guards are different and...
Well, different color, but they both have rad guards, both have radiator braces, or rotor guards. You have a different gas tank, which we'll take off there.
I have different, like, wheel... rims.
This is a super expensive gas tank on this thing. We'll save this for when you guys get a little older. You guys will need that right away. So, all right, guys, what do you think? Guys excited?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, I totally forgot that it's we're leaving tomorrow at noon. We should definitely go pack the van with your 85 and your KX100. So we'll have to park these for now.
It's going to feel like easy short little bikes.
Good.
To whip around somewhere.
That's the plan. If you get on these and you practice on these and you get back on those,
It's just normal.
you're going to be ripping all over. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching. They just picked up a couple 125s. Going to be a lot of cool, fun footage. So sick that they match. So, all right, guys, enjoy the ride. And we are heading to the Niowa round number 3 tomorrow. All right, guys, enjoy the ride.